Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your PlayStation 4 controller on Assetto Corsa PC. First, connect your controller to your computer. You can use a standard USB cable for a direct connection or pair it via Bluetooth for wireless freedom. Once connected, your PC should recognize it as a generic gamepad. For more advanced features, like custom button mapping or light bar control, consider installing DS for Windows. This software enhances compatibility and offers greater flexibility. Once Assetto Corsa is running, head into the Options menu, then select Controls. Here, you'll need to choose Controller as your primary input device. Now, it's time to map your essential functions. Assign steering, throttle, brake, and gear shifts to your preferred buttons and triggers. Don't forget to fine-tune your dead zones and linearity settings. A small dead zone, perhaps around 5%, can prevent unwanted inputs, while adjusting linearity helps achieve a more natural feel. Calibration is key for a great driving experience. Within Assetto Corsa's control settings, calibrate your controller's axes to ensure full range of motion for steering, throttle, and brake. Next, adjust the force feedback strength. A setting between 70 and 90% often provides a good balance of immersion and control. Experiment with sensitivity to find what feels right for your driving style. Once satisfied, save your custom controller profile so you can easily load it for every race. If you encounter any issues, start by ensuring all your PC and controller drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers are a common culprit for connectivity problems. Also, close any unnecessary background applications that might be consuming resources or interfering with your controller's input. If you're experiencing noticeable lag with a wireless connection, try switching to a wired USB connection for improved responsiveness. Finally, the Assetto Corsa community forums are an excellent resource for troubleshooting unique issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.